Hello everyone. Today we are exploring the QloApps Cloudflare Turnstile module. It protects your website forms from spam and bots while offering a smooth CAPTCHA-free experience.
The module works silently in the background to validate real users, effectively blocking spam while ensuring visitors enjoy a smooth and secure browsing experience.
Enable it on login, registration, contact, and more pages with customizable themes and sizes to match your site. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products. For every technology, we also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's see how it works. So here we are on the QloApps admin panel. To install the module, just click the Add a New Module button. Since I've already installed it, so let's start with the configuration page. On the configuration page, there are two fields, Site Key and Secret Key. You can get these keys from the Cloudflare website, and there is also a featured theme option. You can select the Cloudflare Turnstile theme such as light or dark. If you select auto, it will automatically choose the theme based on the system settings. If you select the light theme and save it, then go to the front end and refresh the page, it will look like this. Now let's check how it looks in dark theme. Select the theme and click the save button, then go to the front end and refresh the page, and you will see it looks like this. You can also choose the size, either normal or compact. In compact mode, it looks like this. When you select normal size and refresh the page, it looks like this. You can also choose the positions of the Cloudflare Turnstile, such as the customer login page, customer registration page, contact us page, admin login page, personal information page, sign up at checkout page, login and checkout page, newsletter subscription form, and forgot password page. When I deselected this option, Cloudflare was not visible on this page, and this is your newsletter section. When I deselected this one as well, Cloudflare was not visible in this section. You can also enable or disable it as needed.
And that's all about the functionalities of the module. I hope you like it.
If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.